guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Happy Thanksgiving. I got a new product here from Banggood, and this is called the Topshak Cordless Electric Spray Painter. I will admit, I used to have one a long time ago, but it was the corded kind, and I painted my parents' house, whatever, and well, the cord really was a pain in the butt. So now with new technology, everything is cordless with a rechargeable battery. As you can see, here's the power cord used for recharging. And here's the main spray unit itself. Handheld. These handheld tools are all very handy these days. Lightweight, rubber grip, plastic encased. I might even be holding this wrong. Second part of this box is the battery. Battery has a hole over here where you can plug the electric cord in to individually charge the battery itself. It's a 20 volt lithium. And it has a battery meter that tells you how strong and it's fully charged, as you can see. That's very handy. To have a meter to tell you how much battery life you have left in here for that charge is great. Here's the sprayer nozzle. Ooh, there's a lot of stuff in here. Cap, extra nozzles, tips, different spraying tips in here. I guess a wrist cord. If you're on a ladder somewhere and you're painting the house, right? If you drop it, you gotta go back down and get it. Not to mention the fact that if you dropped it, you might break it. So it's a wrist strap, so that you can put your wrist around it so you won't, if you dropped it, it's still hanging there, you know? So you won't lose it. Here's like a funnel, I believe. Just gotta get it out, you know? It's really in there. And that's it. Instructions. Get out of here. We don't need instructions. Forget about it. Figure it out by myself. So you put the paint in here. Thinner to make thick paint more soluble. I'm not planning on painting anything today, but I will put some water in here just to show you that it works. I'd like to see if it works too. They're probably saying right now, you're not putting it in right. Okay. I believe there's a cap here. You open it up to... Oh, maybe that's not it. Maybe I do have to read the instructions, huh? Okay, so I didn't have to read the instructions, but I sat here for a while figuring it out. I didn't want to read the instructions. So you put it in sideways like this. There's rubber O-rings on it. And then you just turn it, and it clicks right there into shape. And then the nozzle here that activates it. When it clicks, it's going. So that's awesome. Wow, it's fancy. So the front part here, there's the two enclosed nozzles, the red one and the gray one, along with two other jets, if you will. And so in the front, there's a cap here that you take off, and you can take off the black head. And over here, you have a nozzle. So you have these two other replacement nozzles that you could replace that with. If you decided to go with a different stream, you can put the red one on there like that, and then put the thing back on, and then you would have the red nozzle for different spray patterns, right? And as you can see, you could also put the gray one on too, like that, and put that back on. So depending on what type of stream you want, I'm just going to keep the original one back on here again. See, you don't need instructions to figure it out. I believe there's a light or something like that here. Look at that. It's an LED light. You know what? Let's put the battery in. See what happens. Cool. Oh, wow. Look at that, huh? Look at that. One-handed spray painting. That's great. No cord. It's not heavy. You got a light here. That's fantastic. An aimer. That's cool. So the back here, figure out what the caps were for. You put the extra nozzles in here just so it's with you. You don't have to go somewhere else to, you know, put it away or something. And you attach these little caps on here and it closes it up. See? So you can transport it. Isn't that awesome? So I don't really have anything to paint. Painting is messy, you know what I mean? And then after you use this thing, you would probably have to clean it, you know. So I've got some water here. I'm just gonna try it out just with water. Mind you, that water is much more soluble than paint. Obviously, paint is gonna be thicker in substance, right? But so this should be a very easy test for it. I just wanted to see it come out, you know what I mean? Obviously, paint, you would need to add thinner in it. So let's just see if it sprays. Wow! Cool! That is wild, huh? That's great. Fantastic. Oh, I might try to paint something after all, because that just looks like it's too much fun. You know what I mean? That's fantastic. Very, very... Oh, you know what? Let's try this. That's really cool. Fantastic. Anyway, so this is the Topshak spray gun from Banggood. If you guys would like to get one, I'll leave a link in the description. Go check it out. Also, for Black Friday, which is tomorrow, you can get some great discounts on this unit tomorrow. So check the description for the link to a special Black Friday sale on this Topshak spray gun for paint. Thanks a lot for sending it to me, Banggood, and we'll see you guys all next time on Mowers and Blowers.
It's Kylie here, and we'll see you next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, I'm Henry from Mowers and Blowers. As a YouTuber that deals with small engine equipment on a daily basis, I worry about the harmful effects of the 10% ethanol that's in your unleaded gas from your gas station. Here on the East Coast, as winter nears, I think about storing my summer lawn equipment for the winter. Ethanol absorbs moisture, and what it does is it could rust or corrode and clog up your jets in your carburetor. That's why I use Ethanol Safeguard with stabilizers from my friends over at Lucas Oil Products. Before you store your machines, a little bit of Lucas goes a long way. When you're ready to use your machines again, hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.